we see the work out fast, we say get appointment, so now running stomach. Person will don't eat rice for occasion, decoration that they find for your eye. Can I talk to you? Lean on me, no me say make you press me down. Feel out, then they make visitor. They spoil television remote. Pastor, when they pray for madman, then they close his eye. Because after deliverance, anything can happen. This country, sir, it is only in Edo State, APC women leader and man. I'm here. You say, don't worry, that is your problem. 5 of you in one table, 5 bottle water, still alive. I came, I will solve and conquer. Hello? Second hand suit, no get trouser. See my own. Until I don't complete. Let you see. Commit suicide, go buy poison. They wait for change. What do you want use change to do from an account? Get me. That's what I'm playing against the enter now. I don't with you, sir. Alright. Commissioner for land. I don't have land in this state from here. So I need land. This country. See DJ, father. See the father of that boy. See him. What you inherited from your father. When I clap for them, see him. DJ, father. So you're happy that your son is a DJ. Look, I don't find you come on. I come from Calabar. That's why I can use you to crash you. No, everybody will sit fat. He say get up. Naija, so my night food and poison. I never say it. Don't relax, we'll talk. I will talk. If you say nothing lasts on earth, try to use Aboki perfume. You know that something lasts on earth. Plus, what thing I do, people they laugh since. You know they laugh. It's so bad. Why the cause of the problem? Look, nice sponsor me. Nice table. People wait for people come to the rest of the day. People wait for money. They laugh for 1 million a week. If they catch the joke, people man. Yourself available for people. Now wait till make akara. No follow for snacks. State. You guys are lucky. It's peaceful, calm, environment is very lovely. Abuja, all of us they behave like mad people because the state no dey secure. My landlord go buy security dog. Now the dog dey first and sleep. Don't come to me. I want to enjoy myself. Since when I call me now, I go perform now. When I wait for this show, I need to spread money. So nobody want to spread the money. I never make one around which one that was want to spread the money. Commissioner for land. I don't want to use you to pay my flights. No, if you say no wahala, show them finish it up. But ladies and gentlemen, Help me clap for. As I talk now, the guy just look at me bad eye. Bros, if I no feature for this joke, let me say Nigerian police are not doing well. But official, you made a no say that they do well. See here, see police carry gun, 1-1. Babusha, 2 police, they use 1 gun. Wanna clap for Yadi? That is my destiny helper. Yes, I can proudly say that Yadi has blessed me, not because it's the governor. If you are from Obudu, you are not grateful to Ayade. Means you be ungrateful because Ayade changed the total local government like a seat. Yeah, I can say that. You might not clap, no worry. Wait, make it finish. Wait, we plan. Forget true love and original charger. Now they here for Kogi State when flood come, they don't feel sleep. Water carry native doctor Shirai go pastor house. What God cannot do. And the truth and the tell you that. Help me clap for the state party chairman, Pastor Apostle Sobraya. For the Allah God just to draw them on this small say now. I pass a message now. Commissioner for local government. I'm here. This now no one call me, I stay here. I'll call on now. Now we'll gather money, pay my flight, whether you like it or not. As a day so now, in my family, I'm the most handsome man. Imagine how the rest look like. Wickedness in high places. I go Chicken Republic for Calabar here. Now dog meat they say 404. Oh, my namesake, deputy candidate of the gubernatorial APC in Cross River State. No, you call me. You were looking for high. I will give you. I will give you. When I clap for right. Oh, you pay my ticket. Money provoke anointing. So you pay my ticket. 120,000. So can you increase it? Let me need that for you. Hey, would they blow horn? Wow. Actually, by the grace of God Almighty, this is the first time I'm coming to my state capital to perform in a comedy show as a stand-up comedian. Help me put your hands together for Godon's the Berlusconi. Clap for him, it's not easy. I want to sign out. Come. If you don't get respect, you do me very well. They blow home for me like if I did for checking points. I senior you as your father. I be somebody's husband. Just behave yourself. 15 years, I did 35 for you. 20 years, I did senior you. What would you? Where am I? I once said, time out, we die here. I would love to do this and I will leave the stage. If you are a single man here, know who you marry. It will your children. See dollar now, they intimidate our naira. Now naira now don't come out, show am in true color.